Dava f upon dava y. Dava f upon dava y e raised to power xy will be written as it is. The derivative of the first function e raised to power xy will be written as it is into derivative of the power of e, that is xy. So derivative with respect to y, the second function ln y will be written as it is, plus the first function e raised to power xy will be written as it is into the derivative of ln y. The derivative of ln y with respect to y will be 1 upon y. It will be 1 upon y. Therefore, e raised to power xy into derivative of xy with respect to y. The derivative of y will be 1 into x. X is considered as constant. Constant into the derivative of y. The derivative of y will be 1. X into 1 will be x into ln y plus 1 upon y into e raised to power xy. It will be written over there. X into 1 will be x. X e raised to power xy into ln y plus 1 upon y into e raised to power xy. This is the answer. X e raised to power xy into ln y plus 1 upon y into e raised to power xy. This is the answer. Ranwa Batul and Shazeb Wasi. So that was question number 16. One more thing I just want to tell you, that you have to do the assignment. So inshallah tonight or tomorrow on Sunday I will upload the assignment number 1 for you, and you have to do within 2 days. You will submit the assignment within 2 days, and you will do the assignment in you will submit the assignment in PDF format, and the images must be very clear so that I can read it. Images must be very clear. Images should be clear, and the pages must be organized organized in the proper way. On each page, the page number, your name and ID and question number must be mentioned on each page. Your name, your student ID, question number and page number must be on each and every page. And images must be very clear, and file must be in a proper way, in an organized way. All the pages must be in the proper way, in the serial wise. All the pages must be serial wise. Page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, etc. Not the first page number 1, and then you are writing page number 3. And then at the end, the page number 2. No, all the pages must be in the proper way, in the serial wise. All the pages must be attached serial wise, not in different way. And the images must be very clear. And try to submit your file before the time. so that at the end of the time, if you want to submit, if you submit at the end of the time, so the server may be down or any problem may occur. So therefore, try to submit before 4, 5, 6. As soon as you solve the assignment, you just submit it. As soon as you solve the assignment, just submit it. Don't wait for the end point. Don't wait for the last time. So many things may happen at the last time. So just try to solve the assignment quickly as soon as you receive it, and then submit it. As soon as you solve it, you submit it on the LMS, because anything may happen at the last moment. So don't wait for the last moment. Just try to submit before the time. As soon as you finish your assignment, you must submit it. Okay. Now I will do question number 17. Question number 17. F of xy is equal to sine square x minus 3y. So A part, dou f upon dou x. First of all, we'll take the power. So 2 power will come over there. So power 1 will be left over there. Sine of x minus 3y. Then we will, this is the power only. And then we will find the derivative of sine. It will be cos of x minus 3y. Then we take the derivative of x minus 3y with respect to x. Derivative of x minus 3y. It will become 2 sine x minus 3y cos x minus 3y. Derivative of this one with respect to x. Derivative of x will be 1. 1 and 3y is 0, 0. There is no x in this term. And we are finding the derivative with respect to x. There is no x in this term. So therefore, the whole will be considered as constant. And the derivative of constant is 0. So 1 into this one will be 2 sine x minus 3y cos x minus 3y. This is the final answer. If you use the trigonometrical formula, 2 sine alpha cos beta. 2 sine alpha cos beta will be equal to sine 2 alpha plus beta. This is sine alpha plus 2 sine alpha plus beta. But there is no need. It is enough. B part. Dava f upon dava y. It will be again with the same method. 2 will become over there. So 2 sine of x minus 3y. Then we will do the derivative of sine will be cos x minus 3y. Then we'll take the derivative with respect to y of x minus 3y. Mohammed on Razan 61768. It will become 2 sine x minus 3y cos x minus 3y into derivative of x minus 3y with respect to x. So derivative of x with respect to y will be 0 minus derivative of 3y with respect to y will be 3. So 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. So minus 3 is multiplied with this one. It will become minus 6 sine of x minus 3y cos of x minus 3y. This is the answer. Minus 6 sine of x minus 3y cos of x minus 3y. Now there are 3 variable functions x, y, z. I will do question number 25. This question, have you understood this question? Question number 17. Anything do you want to ask? Question number 17. Anything do you want to ask?
No, sir. All good.
Okay. Now we are going question number 25. Three variable. Question number 25. F of x, y, z. Ashar Akhtar 63064. Question number 25. F of x, y, z. x minus under root y square plus z square. X minus under root y square plus z square. A part f of x, f of y, f of z. Dava f upon dava x. It can be written f of x here, small x. If x is written as a prefix of f, it means we have to find the derivative of f with respect to x, partial derivative of f with respect to x. In the same way, if f of y is written, that means partial derivative of f with respect to y. So f of x means dava f upon dava x. So it is with respect to x, it is 1 minus, there is no x, there is y and z. So derivative of this one will be 0. So the answer is 1 only. Fx is 1. The partial derivative of f with respect to x, dava f upon dava x. That means f of x. F of y, that means dava f upon dava y. There is no y, derivative will be 0. Here is y. Here is y. So we will take the derivative. This is y square plus z square whole raised to power 1 over 2. So we will take 1 over 2 into y square plus z square raised to power 1 over 2 minus 1. That was the under root means power 1 over 2. So we will take power 1 over 2 over there and we will subtract from the power n minus 1. And then we'll take the derivative with respect to y of y square plus z square. It is 0 minus this is the same thing. Y square plus z square raised to power minus 1 over 2 into derivative of y square with respect to y will be 2y and derivative of z with respect to y will be 0. So it is minus 1 over 2 into y square plus z square raised to power minus 1 over 2. 2y plus 0 will be 2y. 2 is cancelled with 2. So y is multiplied with minus 1 will be minus y into y square plus z square raised to power minus 1 over 2. This is the answer of dava f upon dava y or f of y. Minus y into y square plus z square raised to power minus 1 over 2. Understood? Now we find f of z. So should I rub it? Have you understood it?
सर 1 मिनट रुक जाए. रब कर दे सर.
Okay. Now the third part, dava f upon dava z. That is f of z means dava f upon dava z. So derivative of x with respect to z will be 0. यहाँ पर z मौजूद है इसलिए इसका डेरिवेटिव ले लेंगे 1/2 y स्क्वायर प्लस z स्क्वायर रेस टू पावर 1/2 minus 1. One over 2 minus 1 into derivative with respect to z of y square plus z square. It will be minus 1/2 minus 1/2 power 1/2 minus 1 will be minus 1/2. और इसका डेरिवेटिव y square derivative with respect to z will be 0 and the derivative of z square with respect to z will be 2z. 0 plus 2z minus 1/2 into y square plus z square. 0 plus 2z will be 2z. 2 is cancelled. Z is multiplied with minus 1 will be minus z into y square. This is power 1 is 1/2. Y square plus z square raised to power minus 1/2. This is the answer. Understood? Now I am doing question number 27. Question number 27. This is the inverse trigonometrical function sine inverse xyz. Sine inverse xyz. Question number 27. F of xyz is equal to sine inverse xyz. First of all, we'll find f of x. Partial derivative of f with respect to x. That means dava f upon dava x. Sine inverse 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. X is xyz. xyz square. 1 upon 1 minus xyz whole square into derivative of this one. Partial derivative with respect to x of xyz. It will become 1 upon 1 minus x square y square z square. xyz whole square means x square y square z square into derivative with respect to x. So derivative of x will be 1 and these will be considered as constant. So 1 into yz will be yz. 1 into yz. So the final answer will become 1 into yz into 1 will be yz upon under root 1 minus x square y square z square. This is the answer. In the same way, with respect to y, because this is symmetrical, so it will be 1, if we take with respect to y, so y will be removed xz upon under root 1 minus x square y square z square. If we take f of z, so z will be removed xy upon 1 minus x square y square z square. This is the answer. That was question number 27. Question number 29.
सर 6 बज गए।
6 बज गए?
जी सर।
मेरे पास तो अभी 2 मिनट बाकी हैं भाई।
सर हमें भी यूएफआईपी के लिए जाना है।
सर FIP के लिए जाना होता है।
चलिए ठीक है बेटा, तो मैं क्लोज कर रहा हूँ
थैंक यू
इसको,
सर।
एंड कर रहा हूँ। और
Thank
ये
you,
है
sir.
कि आपने असाइनमेंट कर लेना है। मैं
ओके सर।
बिल्कुल
ये
सर।
सर
कल शाम तक जो है
सर एलएमएस पे डालना है असाइनमेंट सर।
जी जी एलएमएस पे ही होगा, बस सब काम एलएमएस पे ही होगा। आप बुक भी वहां से डाउनलोड कर लें, हर चीज वहां से करें, आप उससे फायदा उठाएं एलएमएस से। ये जो मैं जो तस्वीरें भेजता हूँ, कुछ ब्लर्ट होती है, कुछ साफ नहीं आती, कुछ लाइट का मसला, कुछ कैमरे का मसला, वहां वो डाउनलोडेड बुक्स हैं, आप उससे फायदा क्यों नहीं उठाते? वहां से बुक्स डाउनलोड कर लिया करें, और वो एक्सरसाइज भी आपको साफ सुथरी मिलेंगी, हर चीज आपको क्लियर नजर आएगा उस पे। एलएमएस
सर
से
मिड टर्म भी ऑनलाइन।
हर चीज उस पे होगी बेटा, एलएमएस पे, अब हर चीज एलएमएस पे।
सर पेपर का कुछ पता है सर, ऑनलाइन होंगे या?
बिल्कुल ऑनलाइन होंगे, बिल्कुल ऑनलाइन होंगे बेटा। तो मैं
सर
मीटिंग
पेपर
है
भी
जी, क्या कह रहे हैं?
पेपर भी एलएमएस पे ऑनलाइन होंगे।
जी जी बिल्कुल एलएमएस पे होंगे, पिछले 2 सेमेस्टर से एलएमएस पे चल रहे हैं। फाइनल का पता नहीं, क्योंकि जनवरी में फाइनल, दिसंबर तक हो सकता है कुछ बेहतर हो, लेकिन क्योंकि मिड टर्म तो अभी होने वाले हैं, अभी तो कुछ ऐसी सूरत हाल नहीं है कि ऑन कैंपस हो। तो ये है कि बहरहाल मुझे अभी सही इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है।
हाँ मेरी भी तबीयत खराब है।
15 अक्टूबर के बाद जो है वो कुछ बताएंगे कि ऑनलाइन होंगे आगे क्लासेस, पेपर्स वगैरह, आगे जो भी स्टडी होगी वो ऑनलाइन होगी या ऑन कैंपस होगी, 15 अक्टूबर के बाद बताएंगे बेटा। तो 15 अक्टूबर तक तो ऐसे ही चलेगा सिलसिला।
ओके सर, बस
ओके
दुआ
सर।
करें सर ऑनलाइन ना हो, वो ऑनलाइन ही हो।
ठीक है बेटा, ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज।
ओके।
मीटिंग में एंड कर रहा
अल्लाह
हूँ,
हाफिज।
मीटिंग में एंड कर रहा हूँ बेटा।
ओके सर, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
अल्लाह हाफिज।